Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to customize your iClosed scheduler to make it look and feel like you want, like to match your branding. So very simple, you just go on iClosed and you go on event, AI scheduler event settings. You click on the event that you want to customize and you go all the way down customization. Here we are, you're going to click on customize and you can just change all the color. We also have gradient preset and background, and you can let's say I'm going to pick this one, or let's try this one. Okay, let's say I really like this one, or maybe this one. Actually, this one is cool. I like this one. Okay, so now if I want to add a logo, I can simply add a logo. I can also check how it's going to look on mobile version, which is very good. And you can see that it's conversion optimized. So meaning that if a prospect comes here, put the phone number. If they leave, they all capture in your global data. Let me show you how it works. So I'm going to save the changes and I'm just going to go visit the scheduler. And you're gonna see how it looks. Perfect. So let's say I'm gonna put my phone number here, French number, you guys know. Boom. Let's say if the prospect leaves while scheduling a call, no problem, because you can see that the phone number is captured. And as you can see in this account, we have like sales 4,200, 2,100, 2,400, 1,500, 4,200, $5,000 euros. It's a lot of sales, like more than $40,000 just in this month of June, made only by the leads that iClosed capture. It's free money on the table that were captured by prospect who came and didn't end up booking on call. So you need to be able to capture leads before showing them the slots, otherwise you're just losing so many leads. So that's how iClosed works. You have to try it. You have a 7-day free trial in the link below. Go try it for yourself and see how this works for you. And yeah, so this is how it works. This is how you can get your scheduler customized, get more leads, more meetings, more sales, and you can have it set it up in less than 5 minutes, and you can start to have more leads this afternoon. Click on the link below in the description and get you 7-day trial for free. I'll see you on the next one.